Are you looking for something gruesome to make this Halloween season? Do you like clogged hair in the drain? Would you eat it? Well, I'll show you how to make clogged hair in the drain that you can eat. In a pan, you need to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, add 3 tablespoons of honey, a cup of chocolate chips, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Stir until melted, combined, and smooth. Then remove from heat. You need some of those big shredded wheat pillows. Loosen and break up 3 of those pillows into the pan. Mix that up until nice and coated. Plop spoonfuls on a wax-lined cookie sheet. Allow them to cool in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. Ew, there's clogged hair in my drain. Wow. That's great. Why don't vampires like Taylor Swift? Because she's got bad blood.